Hey guys, in this video we are going to make a rocket. For this we need a metal pipe or a DC motor frame. Then we will cut this pipe into our desired shape. Then we will need a piece of wood to make the tip of this rocket. As you can see, the frame of this rocket is almost done. To launch this rocket, we will need potassium nitrate and a cup of sugar in powdered form. We will need 50% potassium nitrate and 50% sugar, and we will mix them thoroughly. And then we will put this mixture into the rocket's frame and pack it tightly so that it does not move from its place. And then we will take a drill machine bit to make a hole in the rocket's base, and we will turn it manually to avoid the risk of a spark. As you can see, a hole has been created on its base, and it has been covered with clay so that the potassium nitrate does not move from its place. To launch this rocket, I will use a remote and I have placed my mobile camera on a stand for recording. Be careful while testing in home. If you found something new in our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.